I love this porch. It reminds me of Savannah. It's massive and the really tall columns is such a great presence. And check out the hood. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac. It's so peaceful. Everybody's got their Halloween up. So this is the neighbors. You get this whole cul-de-sac area here. Oh, I love that blue. It's like staircases, staircases. I do really like this blue room. You know, I normally don't like dark colors. I used to have a dark kitchen, but this is really nicely done. They did a lot of artisanal painting. It's definitely textured painting. I like the floors. It's the kind of floors you can live in, and yep, there's puppy toe scratches on it, but it's one of those floors that's distressed. Oh, gas stove is awesome. Soft clothes. Oh, they have systems in these. Good. What's this over here? There's a button. Haha, I knew it. It's a drawer dishwasher. That is cool. Nice big ceramic sink. Oh, I like this. You're not caught here. You got the windows, 2 windows. One in your home and one to see outside. This is good too, having the microwave. I helped people design kitchens like this when I was building my house. Okay. Half powder room here. And you go here. Where's that? Okay, get down in the garage. So it is a tankless hot water system in this house.
Everybody's got the same counters. I have them too.
Oh. Come on now, don't age me. My hands aren't working today. Ooh. Maybe. Oh, that's locked. Al, did you get this thing open? There. Okay, got it. Oh, this is my favorite part of the house. You lost me. Wow. Oh, yes. Party over here. My girl likes to party every time, party all the time. gosh, it's so big. Oh, there's been some good cooking going on over in here. Fireplace. This is where you do your football. Okay. Hot tub, jacuzzi. Wow, that's some tall ceiling.
You just don't need one. You can always put in an electric one in that other house or like.
Oh yeah. You wake up in the morning and you got your pool view. Nice tall sinks. Oh, good. Look how tall these sinks are. I'm standing next to it and it comes up to my hip. You don't have to bend. That's pretty good. Nice big format tiles. Okay, that's not enough closet, but that's what you get in Florida. That's what I have too. Jetta tub.
This is where you should have booties at the front door.
Oh, what?
Not all the rugs.
Oh.
I'm not a fan of rugs.
I hate carpet.
Yeah, it's too much to clean.
I always get rid of it. What is here? Oh, okay. Mermaid bathroom. Let's see, make sure the ceiling is good.
Storage in there.
Oh, wow. There's more, there's a little playroom. Oh, that is cute. All the Legos. This must be attic. Little Legos. Yep. On HVAC stuff up here. Party all the time.
I don't want to walk in any of these rooms without it.
Why?
Because it's like a personal thing to people, you know.
Are you serious, Al? It's, oh, I like him. They are all into the princesses from Disney.
Standard closet, right?
Yeah. Oh, okay. This is my room. I'm gonna wear the tutu, the pink one. I like all the dresses. Closet here. Oh, there's steps? What's these steps for? Oh, nice. Come down. They made use of every nook and cranny. more storage up in here. Attic. This is probably more storage. Attic. Yep. Found the Christmas.
The bathrooms have some large storage areas also.
It's because they have the roof, the way the roof is, you know. Okay, let's see this bathroom on this side. Oh wow, same really big. Oh wow. Huge closet space in there. That's good. You can have your suitcases up here. Look down, see what's going on. Oh my gosh, a whole other room again. Jeez. That's like, what do you do with that space, you know? I mean, it's fun with the little playroom,